Stoics believe in living in harmony with nature, which means aligning our actions and attitudes with the natural order of the universe. By surrendering to the flow of life and accepting things as they are, we can find peace and serenity amidst the chaos of the world. Rule 8. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool in cultivating a positive mindset and outlook on life. Stoics believe in the importance of practicing gratitude for the things we have, rather than focusing on what we lack. By cultivating a sense of gratitude, we can cultivate a greater sense of joy and contentment in our lives. Rule 9. Cultivate inner freedom. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate inner freedom by detaching ourselves from external circumstances and focusing on cultivating our inner virtues and qualities. By developing inner freedom, we can experience a sense of peace and contentment that transcends external circumstances. Remember your mortality. One of the central tenets of Stoicism is the contemplation of our mortality. Stoics believe that by remembering our mortality and the impermanence of life, we can live more fully and authentically. In conclusion, Stoicism offers a timeless set of rules and principles that can guide us towards a more meaningful and fulfilling life. By embracing the present moment, practicing virtue, focusing on what is within our control, and cultivating resilience and inner freedom, we can navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. By embracing the reality of death, we can appreciate the preciousness of each moment and live with a sense of urgency and purpose. So, take these rules of Stoic philosophy to heart and embark on a journey towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Thank you for watching, and as always, remember to stay strong, stay resilient, and stay stoic.